Floor safety is a problem that every commercial business deals with. Everybody knows somebody that slipped and fallen on a wet floor. Slips on wet floors result in lawsuits, employee injuries, higher workman's comp and liability insurance. Typical business has three ways that they deal with the slip and fall problem: walk-off mats at the front door, slippery when wet signs, and liability insurance. We have developed a floor safety product that is extremely versatile. It's highly dilutable, is matched to the floor surface. It's custom mixed on the job site for that job. We measure the coefficient of friction of the floor with a digital meter, so we have a consistent recorded outcome every time. It's applied for the right amount of time, and then document the fact that we have brought the floor into compliance with industry and government standards, with no difference in the appearance of the floor for use on any kind of floor surface. We can treat anything from highly polished marble all the way to glazed Mexican tile. Any kind of floor surface we can make safe. Nano-Grip can solve a business's problem because it makes a wet floor actually less slippery than a dry floor. Any business can afford it. It actually costs less than to rent walk-off mats for a year. A typical lawsuit for a slip and fall accident is about $50,000. We can make a floor safe for around $1 a square foot.